Welcome to AI for Owners. Everyone says AI will change everything. And so you probably tried ChatGPT. You asked it to write a LinkedIn post or something similar. And what you got back was technically words in the correct order, grammatically fine. It just sounded like it was written by someone who has never met a human being before. So you did what any reasonable person would do. You went online to learn how to use AI properly. And you found thousands of videos by very excited people explaining autonomous agents and prompt engineering frameworks, which are all very helpful. But now you don't understand AI and you have a headache. So then this channel is definitely for you. Hi, my name is Miha and I run a consulting company. We work with businesses in what I lovingly call boring industries: construction, accounting, manufacturing, veterinarians, and so on. Not the Silicon Valley types, not the sexy businesses, not people who say disrupt in every meeting. So when ChatGPT came out, I jumped on it immediately because I am a little bit of a geek. I was always the person friends and family would call when their laptop did something strange. So naturally, I had to try the new shiny thing. And for the first few weeks, I got the same garbage results you're probably getting now: generic, robotic, useless. But I got lucky. I found a few people who actually understood this stuff and I paid them to teach me the basics. Now, not the fancy tricks, the foundation: how AI actually thinks, why it gives you bad answers, what it needs from you to give you good ones. And once I understood that, everything started to click. Now, when I see a new AI tool, I can tell in 5 to 10 minutes if it's useful or just hype. Not because I'm smarter than you, but because someone taught me how to put the puzzle pieces together. I do believe that if you understand AI early, you have a responsibility to help others catch up because this thing is moving super fast. And I think we are heading towards a split: people who figured this out and people who got left behind. And that's really not the world I want to see. So, this channel is me being the person I wish I had found 2 years ago. No jargon, no prompt engineering frameworks, no assuming you know what an API is, just plain English. I'll show you how to actually use AI in your business, the foundation first, so everything else makes sense. Then simple, practical stuff you can use the same day you watch the video. Write this prompt, answer a few questions, get something useful, done. And so if this sounds like what you've been looking for, then please subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.